Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a portable neck fan that you can use anywhere you want. At home, in the office, where you're doing physical activity, you can definitely use it in any of those situations. So when we look on this side right here, here's some specs that's on the product itself. So I mentioned how it has a 360 adjustable design for the actual product itself. It has 3 different wind speed, it has precise cooling, and on the side right here, it mentioned how it's lightweight, it's pretty quiet, and it has a long battery life on here. First thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what's included inside first. So you just want to slide it open like this. And it says neck fan right there. When we open the package right here, this is basically what it looks like right here. So when we take this part out, alright, so you can see that this is what it looks like inside right here. So they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And right here, they provide you guys the cable. So the cable that they include for you guys right here is a USB to USB-C. So you can definitely get the fastest charging option right here. And then right underneath that is the actual product itself. Let's take it out. Alright. So this is basically what the product looks right here. If you can see, it's super flexible. You guys can literally bend it in different type of angles. So you can bend it all the way up like this. You guys can bend it all the way down like that. You guys can bend it all the way like that. Or if you guys want to, you guys can twist this 360 as well. And let's look at the design right here. It definitely looks amazing and feels really, really nice. So that way if you put it around your neck, it definitely feels really, really comfortable. Especially if you plan to use it for all day. They literally have a very nice comfort design throughout the product itself right here. And then right here on the side is basically what the product looks like right here. So they have the logo right there and then the button right here to activate it. And they do have a light indicator right here to show you guys when it's on and when it's charging. And the bottom right there is basically where to plug in the cable to recharge the product itself. And I'm assuming right here is basically where the air will come out once you guys put it around your neck. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you can see. Definitely pretty cool and super flexible. If you were to compare this to other neck fans that I've tested in the past, this one is definitely the most flexible one that I've tested so far, if you can see. And then obviously the product itself is super lightweight, that you can bring with you guys anywhere. And the reason why it doesn't last as long as other like neck fans out there is because the battery in here is much smaller. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now I'm actually plugging the cable to show you guys how to charge it and how to know when charging first. Alright, so I'm going to use the cable that they include for us right here. And we'll plug the other side onto our neck fan right here. So I just want to plug it in right here. And once you guys plug it in, you guys can see a red indicator light right there to show you guys that it's charging. And I believe once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or should turn green. But let's test it out to see whether or not we can actually still use it while it's being charged. Alright. So you can definitely still use the product itself while it's charging. But I don't recommend doing that just to be safe because you never know what will happen. So it's probably safer for you guys to use it when it's not charging. So now let me actually unplug the cable and test out the dB on here to see how loud it is. Alright, so we got a tester right here. Let me turn it on. So this is speed level 1. Speed level 2. Speed level 3. And turn off. So you can definitely see from the test itself, it's not that loud, it's pretty quiet. So it's around like 40 something to like 56 or 57 around that range if you can see on the max speed. But now let me just put it on myself and test it out and see how well it feels and how it works. So once I put it around the neck, I can definitely feel that comfort. It feels really, really nice. When you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really comfortable as well. I got that spongy feeling on here that makes it really comfortable when I put it on. But let's activate it and test it out. Alright, so this is speed level 1. This one is not that loud and it's actually really quiet and it's not that strong as well. But I definitely feel that cooling effect like instantly. Let me try speed level 2. Alright, so speed level 2 is definitely a lot more stronger and louder as well if it's in here. Like the way how it's blowing right now is literally blowing directly into my ear. So if I don't want that to happen, I can always adjust this to go like that if I want to. Or move it a bit more. That's the one thing that's actually really cool about the product itself. How you guys can actually adjust it however you guys want. So whether you guys want to blow it directly to your ear, your face, or whatever, you guys can move this around however you guys want. But definitely speed level 2 is much stronger than speed level 1. Now let me just try it on speed level 3. Alright, so speed level 3 is definitely the loudest one if it's in here right now. It's really, really loud. But it actually works really well to help me cool down. Like speed level 3 is definitely the strongest one to help me cool down like instantly. I can feel that like cold air like throughout my body and my face itself. And that's actually really awesome since like summer is already here. So if you guys probably want to get some way to cool down. If you guys don't want to buy like your own fan, air conditioner, or air coolers, there's a good alternative to go for. So that way you can have one, your friends can have one, and just share with everyone else. So that's a quick test about the product itself and how it works and how it feels. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any kind of neck fan in general are super worth it. Especially like how I mentioned, since summer is almost here, do you guys want to find some way to cool down? These are definitely a cool product to go for. Especially this one in particular, so you guys can actually adjust the neck fan however you guys want. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.